how to remove an alternator on fucking hell, where's the alternator? How to find an alternator for a Nissan Note. Right, so what did I do to get this alternator out? It's not out yet, but it's pretty much out. So first you jack the car up, axle stand, yeah, jack up the engine with a bit of rubber after removing the engine mount so you can get some access. Undo the tensioner, so you got to undo the, where's my, undo that bolt, then there's a bolt behind there, yeah, this one. So loosen the tensioner, then you got your 2 bolts for the alternator, which is 1, 2, the long ones at the bottom. Obviously disconnect your battery and disconnect your alternator, and then pause the video, wiggle it out, try your best not to hurt your hand, and then I've got to try and massage it out of this gap here. I might drop the engine down a little bit, see what I get. Right, so you got a choice. You could either waste time or save time. Take this inlet manifold off, which is the screws down there, one there, and then a 4 for the throttle body, which makes it a bit of a pain in the ass. So that's why. Actually, you probably won't even have to do the throttle body. It'll just float, won't it, with this airbox. So yeah, you could do that, or you can struggle a little bit, not worry about the inlet manifold gasket being disturbed, whatnot, and just pull it out through here. So like, loosen that, remove the connector from there, what's it called again, valve timing solenoid, remove the dipstick just in case they want to break that, and it's about to come out now. And the new one just fell straight in, man, piece of cake. So yeah, I'm put my phone on charge, get this job done. Bless. Oi. Right, so before the battery light was staying on with the handbrake light, so we had a handbrake light and a battery light on. Oh, it's down here, I can't take the handbrake off. Yeah, that's it. Job done, guys. On to the next one.